Hey guys, how you doing? Today is your girl, Ms.Deb. I'm coming to you from my kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you agree? Guys, today I'm coming to you with two things. I'm doing a taste test on these sodas that I brought from Aldi's. I did an Aldi's haul a couple of days ago. And I saw these drinks. Now, I'm not really a soda drinker, but I will drink soda every once in a while. But it's not like I drink them every day. So I said, okay, hadn't had one. You know, I brought me a couple that day for the haul that I did. So I was like, I was about to leave out the store and I saw these and they said 99 cents. And I'm like, Coca-Cola have something for 99 cents? What? What they do that at? Anyway, I said, let me try these. I can do a video from it. You know your girl love doing videos. So I was like, okay, the name of this product is from Coca-Cola and it's called Dream World Limited Edition. So there's a zero sugar one right here, right? Zero sugar, see it on the bottom. And these are the mini cans. And then there's one that says Dream World Limited Edition, and it's not zero sugar. So I noticed on it has like a little fun Barbie type thing. It has the little bubbles here, and then it looks like, what is that? Like that's the Coca-Cola sign. To me, this box just screamed cotton candy for some reason. Maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, I said, let me try it and do a taste test. Plus, I got a surprise for you guys. What's something I've been working on? You know, Ms.Deb's always got some brewing, whether it's on the stove or up here or in here. Okay, now, so we're going to try. This is the Dream World Limited Edition Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, right? Then we have the Dream World Limited Edition Coca-Cola. Not zero sugar, right? So we have the regular here, and then we have the zero sugar. So I'm going to try this. I got my little cup here. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. I know you guys are seeing Ms.Deb's putting up a lot of videos. Yep, Ms.Deb's is making this. What she got to do? Okay, so now let's start off with the regular. Whoa, hear that fit. Listen. Okay, so let's try this one. This one is the regular one. Cheers to you guys. Look like a regular Coca-Cola. You know, that's pretty unique and it tastes pretty good. You know what? You remember when I said the box to me kind of screams like a Barbie doll setting? You know, when the Barbie doll houses and they used to have the little swimming pool and it just had that, to me it had that cotton candy theme to it. But this tastes kind of like cotton candy. It really does. That is pretty good, guys. I mean, it's not that strong, maybe because I had it sitting in my room. I didn't just take it out of the fridge. But I will be putting some of these in the fridge. But this is pretty good. And this was only 99 cents. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cans come in here. 10 mini cans. As you can see, they are minis. Around about the size of my little glass. See that? But that one is pretty good. Yeah, I like that. And that's done. So now we're going to try. I'm just wiping off the top of the can. We're going to try the zero sugar one. Now, how many times do you get both sodas in one taste test, right? The one with zero sugar and the regular one. Okay, so let's cheers to you guys. Love you all. This tastes good too, and it's 0 calories for this one. That's why they said 0 sugar. 0 calories, and this one right here, little booger, is 90 calories. How little that can is. But this one tastes like cotton candy. This one with the 0 sugar has. Why does the one with 0 sugar taste sweeter than this one? Isn't that weird? When they're saying they take the sugar out of it, that's why it's 0 sugar, but it tastes sweeter than this one. But anyway, it has a similar taste. It pretty much almost tastes the same, but this one is a little more lively. I guess because of the 0 sugar content in this one. But they both have that. It's almost like a caramel cotton candy flavor, if you can figure out how that's supposed to taste together. Cotton candy and caramel flavor. Cheers, guys. This is pretty good. I brought 4 containers. I'm sorry, excuse me about that, guys. I brought 4 little boxes of it, and this is pretty good, and I will recommend this. Coca-Cola Dream World Limited Edition. I have the regular one, and then I have the 0 sugar. Thank you guys for joining your girl. Try it. I think Coca-Cola onto something right here, guys. Thank you so much. This has been a blast. God bless you. Oh, and I want to tell you something real quick. This is my second recipe book. So what I'm doing here, maybe, I don't know, when I get a little money, I'm going to try to get these published. Because Ms.Deb is using her cooking now for her source of income. And, you know, I told you sometime I'll, like in the summertime, I'll do like sell dinners, and I'll do a little catering, or anyone who wants me to make things for them, like cakes and special recipes and dishes. So I just been jotting my little recipes down in this little composition book. It says Deborah Delicious, my recipes, homemade cooking. It has 100 sheets for 200 pages. So I almost have this bad boy filling. I have a recipe book, my mom recipes, and some of mine that I combine together. And that one I'm leaving to my children when I'm no longer here. And these, let me just run some stuff off what I have here. I have the bread that I made one day. I have chocolate ganache, bark chocolate candy cake pops, these butter tarts. I'm just reading down some things I have here. Sweet potato pie, pumpkin butter, 1 pan chili and cornbread, lemon and raspberry cake, jalapeno cornbread, my southern style stuffing, or some people call it dressing, collard greens with turkey, barbecue ribs, potato salad, easy to make butter chicken in 20 minutes, Mongolian beef. I have beef stroganoff, seashell and bacon, shrimp fried rice, chicken mango avocado salad. I have Italian salad, peanut butter cookies, apple cake, homemade fried apples, lasagna and sausage, macaroni salad, homemade chicken gravy, my strawberry crunch cake, which got 7,100 views on YouTube. I wish I was paid for those 7,100 views on YouTube. Well, you can always go and check out that recipe, guys. It's in my desserts playlist. And it's called the strawberry crunch cake. Strawberry tres leche crunch cake. I have scalloped cheesy creamy potatoes. I have my string bean casserole, jalapeno popper peppers, honey and soy chicken, my lemon. I'm getting ready to do a recipe. I don't want to give all the things out, but it's just potato cheese casserole. I have so many homemade ice cream, asparagus wrapped in bacon, pizza, skillet balls, chicken pot pie. I don't want this to go so far, but guys, this is what I'm working on. Your girl got it going on. I am really doing this. I love working in this book, and I might get another because I got so many recipes up here, girl. If I don't pull them out, I'll be forgotten. But thank you on this taste test for this Coca-Cola Dream World Limited Edition and the 0 sugar one. and also talking to you guys about a possible recipe book. Come along, join me guys on this ride. I know, don't get tired of looking at me. I'm up here just trying to make a living, do what I have to do to, hey, because of health reasons, I can't stand up and do things. My shoulder have nerve damage, my back, certain things I can't do on a regular job. So I'm just trying to do to be sufficient and, do things that I have to do to help me out and my family. So just join me on YouTube, guys. I really enjoy doing these things for you. You see, it's a passion for me talking about God first and foremost. That's number uno. And then doing my cooking, because that's a passion of mine. I really love doing it. My mom was the same way. So I just feel like I want to carry on this tradition. I don't mind sharing my recipes with you guys. Like I said, I'm not the best cook, but I can cook. But thank you guys for joining your girl. Wish me all the best with this. I'm going to try to make it happen. I don't like to put a deadline on things because my time is not God's time. So I'm working on this every night. Remember this recipe, and I'm jotting things down. And it's just keeping my mind busy and keep me focused on something that's going to benefit me and my family. Thank you guys for joining your girl. I hope you tried this. No, Coca-Cola is not paying me. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not, getting any funds or anything from them. This is just something I wanted to try. I do taste tests every once in a while. And I just wanted to tell you guys about it and for the possible cookbook. But we're going to try to make it happen. We'll see what God says. God bless you. At least I have them all written down anyway. Thank you so much. God bless you. May heaven smile down upon you. This is your girl, Ms.Deb. I'm out. And remember, have a good day. Blessings to you all, and be a blessing to someone.
Hello guys, thank you for coming. God bless.